Hello student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. We are doing here balancing equation, how to write formula. Ionic molecule is neutral, this is the tip of the day, and charges should be equal and opposite. Cations and anion charges, when you will write on complete formula, they should be equal and opposite to each other because molecule is neutral. And secondly, we'll do acid-base reaction. We start from this because it will explain everything. Here, sulfuric acid when react with potassium hydroxide, potassium sulfate and water is obtained. So here we are writing only product. So K is having positive charge, one positive, SO4 having one negative. So what will happen over here? This to multiply this 1 by 2, we will take out magnitude of the charge. Here 2, so multiply by this by 2, and K is having 1, so multiply this by 1. Now 2 positive and 2 negative charges are there. So the molecule is neutral. So what we will do, we will write on this subscript 2 under the K, because we multiplying this by 2, so put this on the subscript of K, so it will be K2SO4. 1 will remain as such, so K2SO4. Clear? And hydrogen gas is released. Now we will see when we are multiplying this K by 2, so at that time inner goes with inner, outer goes with outer. Here 2 OH and 1 hydrogen. So here H positive and OH negative, HOH will be there, means water will be there, so 2 molecule of water. Oxygen is 2, so 2 molecule of water. Now here HNO3 plus KOH, the same way, this is, we will make a box, inner with inner. So this box is there, so KNO3 will be obtained and H2O is obtained. And since both carry equal and opposite and same magnitude, +1 -1, so neutral molecule, and we have not to do anything, just simply simplest reaction, acid-base reaction. HCl this is also simplest acid-base reaction. This is a hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, form sodium chloride, salt plus water. This is salt plus water. Everywhere here salt plus water, salt plus water. Okay. Now we very specific reaction, most important reaction of ionic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. Iron, red hot iron when react with steam, normal water it will not react. Okay, it will get rusted in presence of oxygen, but now when hydrogen is released, at that moment we have to take steam. Red hot iron when react with steam, it will form iron 2,3 oxide, that is called magnetite also. In generally we call it magnetite, plus hydrogen gas is released. Okay, because iron is powerful reducing agent, so it reduces water to hydrogen. Here we will see that Fe plus 4H2O. How do we get 4H2O? Because see, here formula of Fe3O4 we know that magnetite is